Hey friends, if you wish to install and use LibreOffice on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. And I'll tell you why people are asking for this because they get the wrong version of LibreOffice online. I'll tell you how. Now, if you were to open the Microsoft Store and search for LibreOffice, we get an app here, which is a very crappy app. And when you open it, there's an option. It costs you 249 rupees or maybe $5 in dollars, but it is a fake app, and I'll tell you why because it has only 6 ratings. So this is not LibreOffice. LibreOffice is free of cost, and it is an open source software, and would have a lot of ratings, like a lot of people have downloaded it. So go to libreoffice.org, then select your system and download the latest version, and then it will start downloading the MSI file here. Now, why are we downloading LibreOffice? I mean, why didn't we find it on the Microsoft Store? We didn't find it on the Microsoft Store because Microsoft doesn't want to promote its rivals. It's the same reason if you search for Chrome in the search bar, you'll find it here on the Google search bar. But if I was to search it on Bing, okay, Chrome, it doesn't have any option to download Chrome. I mean, this would be a sponsored ad, but it wouldn't have this option. It will simply say try now. So LibreOffice is downloading, and it will download an MSI file. We'll have to wait till the MSI file downloads. Meanwhile, I can check the documentation of LibreOffice. What do they have? So it has a word processor. It has a spreadsheet called CALC, which is similar to Excel. It has Impress for presentations, which is similar to Microsoft PowerPoint. And then it has a lot more software like a formula editor and charts and all. So it is a good software. An MSI file is similar to a zip file, so we'll also have to extract it once it has downloaded. And it has an MSI viewer at times, but let's see. Or maybe we can simply download the MSI viewer. MSI viewer, the app. Let's see if I have to click on get for it. Okay, it's downloaded. I'll try running it. And then click on next, on next, on next, and install, and click on yes. And then it will start installing LibreOffice. I have used this software in the past, and that's why I know that it's an excellent software. I mean, it has all the features that the Microsoft Office online versions have, but I'll tell you why it is better. Because when you use an app on your computer, you don't need to open the browser each and every time. Browser has limitations. I mean, you will have to upload everything to the browser, and you will have to access everything from the browser itself. So that's the case. And furthermore, it has a little more features than the browser version. Even Microsoft Office, the desktop version, the paid version, has features better than the browser version. So that's the case. And finally, click on finish, and let's hope that it opens. It's already installed here. So we have the writer tool, the calc tool. Let's see, it must be something like Excel. Yes, it is. And the writer tool, and then open this one, and it is similar to Microsoft Word. See, it has a hell lot of options here. It doesn't have a few options just like the online version of Word. It has a lot of options, but yes, Microsoft Word is very advanced in the sense that it has an editor, and it is also introducing AI features very soon. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could improve further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.